Some people argue that practicing ordinary means rejecting Western education and civilization. Do you agree with this view?
Yeah, that view is a view of only the ignorant of how things work. We don't have problem with modernization. Yes, modernization change is constant in creation. Yes. So what we are against is when foreign religion will be telling me not to recognize my ancestors, while in the other way around they recognize their own ancestors and even asking me to reference their ancestors. That is deceit. Yes. When they are telling me to abandon Ihaiji Wedebube and begin to follow their own rules, that is arrogant. So what we are against, we are not against foreign religion because they build a place of worship. No. We are not against of them because they have the name of the youth as organizations inside the religious houses. No. We are against them when they have their own images in their place of worship, what they hold sacrosanct, what they hold holy, what they are considered as holy places. They maintain theirs. Why they will come to our place to bastardize our own. Understand? Our sacred places, sacred altars, they bastardize them and demonize them. And telling us that those our sacred things doesn't mean anything. Why they recognize their own theirs. That is where we are having problem with them. So that's why we with the issue. The issue is the teaching coming out of that place. That's why in Okodinana is the same place of worship, the same seat pattern and everything. The only difference is and the maintainable ekowalagi na obo na ofoben nagede. Maintain no ofoben nagi. Obindi ichie di ben nagi maintain no ya. Those family altar akwari ni yendo of family ujidi ebube. Maintain them. Yeah, so obro yenda so Igbo Okodinana we encourage you. We have the same naming ceremony. We still have the same marriage blessing. We still have the same child dedication, the same thing. But the teaching. So what makes Okobia bad is not Unuka Halolo or Una Halolo or modern things there which they brought. No. What makes it bad is the teaching coming out from there, telling us to abandon our own, celebrate theirs. That is what we are talking about. So modern things, every race enjoy modern things. I can tell you, even when the missionary came in 1885, the 1805, 1885, then that time, Hanokana mod houses, Hanokana shanties. Manachine if Hanem Watazego, they keep building better place of worship. Yes. So here to argue what. So we believe in modern things. Modern things is not the issue. But we are fighting the teaching. Thank you.